Hello, I'm going to show you how to save something. We've had some issues with losing things, so just want to make sure everybody knows how to save. So if you go to File and go to Save, the first time you click Save, it'll be like a Save As. Now, I already saved this once, so the second time and any time after that you click Save, it automatically assumes you're going to save it in the same spot. So if I did this, it's just going to save it where I saved it before. So I do want to show you what it looks like the first time. So, and like I said, it's like a Save As, so I'm going to do a Save As because it's not sure where you want to save it the first time. And so it's going to show up like this. Make sure you give it a name. Okay, by default it's called entitled. I already gave it a name called Bouncing Ball Demo. So give it a name. Don't keep it called untitled. There's reasons for doing that. You could accidentally overwrite something because the next one you do is going to be called untitled, and you don't want to replace an old untitled with a new untitled. That's happened before many times, actually. So a little warning, give it a name. And then you also want to make sure you know where you're saving it. Okay, so I don't want to save it there anymore. That's where I originally saved it. I want to go back to my desktop, and I'm going to go to tutorials. So just make sure this folder here is the folder that you want to save your Adobe Animate file in. And it's an FLA file. Adobe Animate files are all FLA files, so that's the program file. And then click Save, and it just saved it there for me. So now if I close this, and I go to that folder, it'll be there, and then I can open it up, and it'll start up again. So if I go to my tutorials folder, there is my bouncing ball demo. If I double click on it, so it saved it where I told it to save it. And there it is. The one thing I want you to know is, um, hopefully they fix this in the next version, but when I went back to my workspace, I was sort of hoping that I'd have all the room I created before for my layers, but I'm back to the default just two layer or almost two layer version. So I have to go back here, click and make that a little bit smaller. So I can go here, bring the tools down, and now I have more room for my layers. And then I can always, like if I'm animating the ball some more, I can go back and just see the ball and have this larger again, and then only see this when I want to. But you're going to have to expand the layer window every time you open it, it looks like. So anyway, just wanted to let you know. So have fun experimenting. That's it.